Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a virtual environment in Anaconda. Now, here's the thing. You can do this in a bunch of different ways, one of which is using the Anaconda prompt. But here, I'm going to be using the Anaconda UI, right? Just to make life easier and make life simpler. And it's quite fast that way, faster than the other ways, okay? So let me show you. So first, you want to launch up your Anaconda, right, navigator. And then you want to go on the left side. You find home, environment, learning, and community. You want to choose environments. Okay, you click on it. And then here on the left side, you'll find all your environments, right? You want to go down here and look for the button that says create. You want to click on create. And then you want to name your environment, right? After you choose which language it would be. So for example, R, Python, or Julia, or what have you. Right. Then you would choose the version of Python that you want. So you have from 2.7 until the current version of Python, which is 3.8. That's the last stable version of Python at the time of creation of this video. And you choose it. So for me, I'm going to choose 3.8. And then new environment. I'm going to call it, for example, new environment. Okay. Then you go click on create, the green button over here. And there you go. Okay, so now we have our new environment here in our navigator. So we can click on it and then go to the play button, and then we'll have two options. I'll open with terminal and open with Python. Now what you want to do is open with terminal, okay? And why is that? Because we want to install specific packages for this specific environment. Now, when the prompt shows up, right, let's just zoom in a little bit. You're going to see new environment here, which indicates that this prompt is specifically opened up for that new environment. Now you can install whatever packages you want to install, mainly using pip. Okay, so pip install, for example, pandas. Okay. And it's going to collect pandas and build everything up for you. And you can of course add whatever packages you want, Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, what have you. So that's really how you create an environment. Once that is done, you go back to your home, and you can see on the top here it says new_environment. Finally, you want to install the thing that you're going to be using. So for example, if you want to install the Spider IDE, you click install. If you want to install the Jupyter Notebook, you click install in Jupyter Notebook, etc., etc. That's it. That's the whole video. Take care.